Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to add a device to Google Find My Device. This feature is a lifesaver when it comes to lost or stolen devices, so we will guide you through the steps to make sure your device is added and ready to track. So let's get started. Step number 1 is make sure Google Play service is enabled. Before you can add a device to Google Find My Device, you'll need to ensure that Google Play services is enabled on the device you want to track. For that, you need to open up your settings on your phone. And then here you're going to go ahead and locate the option called apps and notifications. Just scroll a bit and you should be able to find apps. Go ahead and tap on apps and look for Google Play services and make sure it is enabled. Go ahead and search for Google Play services here. And look if it is enabled or not. It is enabled. So if it is not enabled, just go ahead and enable it. Step number 2 is close this first of all, and you may just go ahead and go to your settings again, and we're going to sign in into your Google account. Here you're going to locate for the option called Google, or you may just go to accounts. And here you can see manage accounts here. So you're just going to go here and tap in the account if the account is not available here, where you have signed in your Google account on the device that you're trying to search for. If not, you may just add that account by using the credentials of that particular Google account. Step number 3 is we need to enable the Find My Device. And here again, open up your settings again. Scroll down to security or location, and then you're going to tap on Find My Device or Find My Device settings. Here you have this option. Make sure to toggle it on and click on it. After that, your Samsung account or your Google account will be here. So that will allow your device to be tracked if it is lost or stolen. And also turn on this offline finding so that even if your phone is lost when it's offline, we can locate your phone. Step number 4 is using Find My Device app. So if you prefer using an app instead of the website, you can download the Find My Device app from the Google Play Store. You may just directly head over to the Play Store application. And here, search for Find My Device. Go ahead and type in Find My Device here. And you can find this Google Find My Device. Go ahead and install the app. Open the app, sign in, and your device will appear if it is connected correctly. And the main thing is if you don't see your device, here's what to check. Make sure your location services are turned on and verify that the device is connected to the internet and ensure the Find My Device is enabled linked to the correct Google account. And that's it. Now you know how to add a device to Google Find My Device. This feature will help you keep track of your devices and even remotely lock or erase data if needed. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. And thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.